All right, hi guys. This is one of my very first tutorials and I'm very excited. To start off, we're gonna just use this wacky piece of fabric that I've literally had for years. As you can see, I'm laughing because I'm like, this is so crazy. Um, but you're gonna start by rolling it down just to kind of make it like a strip, and it should look like that. You're gonna take it and put it behind your head, and wrap it around. And it doesn't have to be even, but it does kind of make the style easier if it is lined up. Tie it into a knot, and then you're gonna crisscross the top and just tuck it in. So super simple. One of my favorite styles when my braids are old, or even if they're not, just kind of adds like a really cute, effortless, bohemian look, which I absolutely love, especially in the summer. So there you go. Okay, hey guys. So for this one, your hair can be down. And this is a fabric I bought this summer and I'm obsessed with the colors. It's so pretty. To start off, you're just gonna put it just as if you were tying a regular scarf. For this one, it doesn't matter for it to be even, but it shouldn't be too different in the lengths of the sides of them. And the part that does need to be even is your hair underneath it so that it's not lumpy and it's not lopsided when we do this next part. So you're gonna take the two sides and you're just gonna roll it like so. And you're gonna do it to both ends. Again, doesn't need to be perfect because the point is for it to look effortless, and that's what we want to portray. And you're gonna wrap them, crisscross again, and all you're gonna do is just tuck them between each other. And this, because this fabric is so thick and kind of stiff, it will not like come out at all. I had somebody ask me if I had like bobby pins in it one day, and not at all. It's last. And we had to add the earrings and the glasses to make the whole look come together. Okay guys, so with this style, we're just gonna put our hair straight back and do a top knot bun. So as you can see, I pushed the front portion of my hair back because when you do the bun in the front, you don't want to give it space to slit. And specifically for a top knot, I would use a cotton textured fabric because it's similar to a t-shirt, but if you use like a silky wrap, it's more probable to kind of like slide back, and you do not want your turban falling off, especially if you're trying to hide your hair underneath. So you were just gonna tie it to the front just like a regular scarf, nothing too crazy. The ends do not need to be even, but it does help. So now that you have your thing tied, you are just going to crisscross and do a twist all the way down. And once you get your twist, you're just gonna wrap it as if you were doing a regular bun in your hair and tuck the ends in the center portion of the bun. It will stay, and if not, I would just put a regular scrunchie on top of it like you would your normal hair. Put it over it and it should be fine. But here's the final look. Super cute. I love this turban because I love purple. So yeah. Okay guys, so our last look, just put your hair in a simple bun, whether you have braids or your natural hair, just put it in an updo. And this is a different fabric, so it's not as long as the other ones I've shown you. It's square, not rectangular. That's why when you fold it, it makes a triangle. And so you're gonna tuck that triangle piece upward so you have just a regular rectangle shape, and it'll look like this. And you're gonna take that big rectangle part and put it in the back part of your hair, and we're just gonna tie into a simple knot. And then for this, make sure that you adjust your edges how you want them to be, just because once you start tying it, you don't want them to pull on it or like tug on your hair. And you were just literally gonna wrap the edges to the back, or wrap the ends to the back and tie it. And that is all. Super simple. I love this look. It looks like you're trying, but in reality you literally just have a scarf over a bun. But I think it adds some pizzazz, especially if you throw a whole outfit together. Okay, so we did it up with some statement earrings and one of my favorite blue pairs of glasses, and that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.